I just found a hummingbird on like my driveway, and she had like, or I don't know, I think it's a he, but he had like a he had speared like a bee somehow.
None of it's real.
And right, is there music playing? Whatever.
It's all an illusion.
We're feeding him. And yeah, I'll give you an update in a sec. Yep. We have a big box right here. We have that bird feeder. I'm gonna put it in the big box. Magic. And the hummingbird in there.
It's all an illusion. None of it's real.
Big box. Little hummingbird on there. Wish us the best of luck in the comment section. My sister is don't mind her. But yeah, make sure in the comment section and comment I love hummingbirds. Let's give it some support.
None of it's real.
Just one more close up.
It's all an illusion. None of it's real.
What's the feeding process? Let's get some likes and
It's all an
subscribes
illusion.
and comment I love hummingbirds for the hummingbird. Also, you can comment some name suggestions. Yay, she drank!
None of it's real.
That's really good. Okay, comment name suggestions and comment I love hummingbirds.
It's all none of it's real.
Also
It's all an illusion. None of it's real. It's all an illusion.
Alrighty, that's it now. So again, comment name suggestions and I love
None of
hummingbirds.
it's real.